Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Blueberry Funded with MetaTrader 5. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up MetaTrader 5, then come to the top left, click on File, and then from here I want you to click on Open an Account. And then I want you to just search for Blueberry Funded. So you just type in Blueberry right here, click on Enter, or you can click here on Find Your Company, and you'll see multiple options. So we have this one, SVG LLC V Limited. I want you to go for this one, Blueberry Markets, without these other extra letters. Choose this one, click here on Next, and then you need to go ahead and enter your login credentials. So in your login credentials, you'll actually have the server as well. So whether it's a demo account or live account, and depending on your live or demo account, you can go for server 1 and server 2. It will be mentioned there, and then you just enter the user ID and password and then click here on finish and you'll be logged in. Really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.